Day of Yoga 2013 Quiz 2.0 Play. The yoga of selfless actions without thinking about the result of a deed is called Karma Yoga, Kriya Yoga, Raja Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. The practice of yoga has to begin with the season Shishir and Hemant, Varsha and Sharad, Basant and Sharad, Grisham and Sharad. Surya Namaskar is a combination of dash and breathing. Asana, Dhyana, Pranayama, Bandha. Who is not an Acharya of the Atha Yoga? Matsendra, Goraksha, Swatmarama, Kapil. Which prana is related to the digestive system? Udana, Vyana, Apana, Samana. Which of the following prana is confined to only the head and thorax? Apana, Prana, Udana, Samana. Bringing the mind to one place is called Dharana, Samadhi, Dhyana, Pratyahara. Where is the Agna Chakra located? Eyebrow center, chest, throat, abdomen. How many types of Kapalbhati are described in Grendha Samhita? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mitahara is a Sanskrit word which means little eating, under eating, moderate eating, overeating. Jammu and Kashmir. Start quiz. The famous Vaishno Devi shrine is located in which town of Jammu and Kashmir? Katra, Aknoor, Udhampur, Riyasi. Which notable award-winning Bollywood movie was shot in J&K? Haider, Rockstar, Bajrang Bhaijaan, Tubelight. Which of the following services can be accessed through the Umanak platform? Government services, online banking, social media, mobile gaming. Umang platform. The traditional attire worn by Kashmiri women in winters is known as Which of the following is a popular traditional tea beverage in Jammu and Kashmir? Lassi, masala chai, Kashmiri khatwa, Kashmiri khawa, thupka. Which of the following products from Jammu and Kashmir has been awarded the geographical indication GI tag? Kashmiri saffron, walnut, Chinar woodcraft, Amarnath temple prasad. The Martand Sun Temple is situated at which district of Jammu and Kashmir? Basholi paintings, a renowned art form in Jammu and Kashmir, are characterized by influence of which artistic style? Mughal, Persian, Rajput, Tibetan. What is the website of e-Unnat? e-Unnat JK Govin, e-Unnat JK at Govin, e-Unnat at jk.gov.in, e-Unnat.gov.in. In which form of dance dancers form a circle or a semicircle and move gracefully while singing traditional songs? Gidha, Rauf, Kut dance, Dhumal dance. App quiz, de-stress, refresh, refocus. Start quiz. Which of the following ministry launched the Why Breakup quiz? App. How many asanas are used? What are the pranayams used in the Why Breakup app? Nadi Shodhana Pranayama and Brahmari Pranayama and Bhastrika Pranayama. What three main components of yoga are incorporated in the Why Break app? Which of the following asana is the trunk twisting posture used in the Why Break app? Certificate. Sri Anna quiz. Start quiz. Which processing treatments help in improved flavors and colors, increased bioavailability of nutrients, enhanced shelf life, and reduced anti-nutrients in millets? Roasting and cooking, blanching and fermentation, pre-processing and cooking, all of the above. Which country is the largest producer of millets? USA, India, China, South Africa. Niti Aayog signed a statement of intent SOL with United Nations World Food Programme WFP on January 2022, December 2021, February 2021, March 2022. Dash in millets can help in lowering the cholesterol level. Riboflavin, vitamin C, niacin, vitamin E. Which constituents in millets are responsible for providing anti-hyperglycemic effect? Dietary fiber and indigestible carbs, non-starchy polysaccharides, A and B starchy polysaccharides. Which of the following is gluten containing cereal? Brown top millet, foxtail millet, barnyard millet, oat. Which millet is called white millet? Pearl millet, finger millet, sorghum, proso millet. Ragi millet is a rich source of phosphorus, calcium, zinc, iron. 2023 is declared as Dash by United Nations. International Year of Fruits and Vegetables, International Year of Millets, International Year of Pulses, International Year of Grains. Finger millet have dash times more calcium than rice. 20 by 20, 30 by 30, 15 by 15, 10 by 10. देखो अपना देश वेबिनार Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar Circuit Train, an initiative by IRCTC. Start quiz. Name the place where Dr. Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar was born. Mohua, Rajgir, Gaya, Nalanda. Shiksha Bhumi Dr. Ambedkar Memorial is located at New York, London, Kathmandu, none of the above. Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar promoted which form of Buddhism? Hirnayana, Mahayana, Vajrayana, Navayana. Dr. Ambedkar National Memorial and Museum is located at 26 Alipur Road, Mumbai, 26 Alipur Road, New Delhi, 26 Alipur Road, Pune, 26 Alipur Road, Lumbini. Gautam Buddha preached his first sermon at Rajgir, Sarnath, Nalanda, Lumbini.